Okay, here's your setup video for initial setup on the ThinLine radio app. So once you get it downloaded and installed, go ahead and open it up. You'll have to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you will come to this screen. Go ahead and click on Go to App Settings. First thing you want to do is scroll down to Account Sync. Tap on the Account Not Synced, tap on Create Account, and go ahead and enter your email. So I'm going to enter a demo email here, as well as a demo password. And your first name, last name, and your zip code. Go ahead and create account. Once that's done, you'll see that it says your account is synced. Now you can start adding some scanners. So we'll go ahead and add a manual scanner here first. Just going to call this test. I'm going to enter my URL. You'll have to get this from your scanner provider. And once you enter that, it'll pop up for your PIN, which you'll also have to get from your scanner provider. And then you can see that that one is now connected. With this app, you can actually connect to multiple scanners at once. So I'm going to go ahead and add one from ThinLine. So tap on that, agree to understand, scroll clear down to the bottom, tap on Add Scanner. You'll also have to register here as well if you've not done it before. So go ahead and tap on Register. Enter your same email, your name, same password as before, and go ahead and click on Register. I've already done that for the purposes of this video, but after you would click on Register, then it would take you to the payment screen to choose either a monthly or yearly subscription. And then once you have verified your email, then you can come back and add the scanner again, enter that email that you used as well as the password, and click on Add Scanner. Now that scanner has been successfully added as well. You can also add alert page scanners, so if I tap on that, agree to theirs, you can select which scanner you'd like to add. If you have a previous PIN already purchased, you can just enter that here and it'll automatically connect. Otherwise, you can tap on Get Unlock Code and it'll take you to their external page where you can purchase unlock codes directly from them. Once you have done that, you can come back, select your scanner, and then go ahead and enter the unlock code for that particular scanner. So that is about it. The other thing you can do, which I've done already because I didn't want to interfere with this video, is remove ads. So if you come to subscription, you can go ahead and click on View Subscription Options, and that will remove the ads for you as well. There is a secondary video that shows going over the different talk groups and the different features of the app. So be sure to check that out in the description of this video.